In this short video, I'm going to show you how to nest complex outlines with OpenNest more efficiently. If we were to nest polylines that have a large number of control points, such as this one in my example, the solver would run very slow, since it would have to evaluate all the points, many of which are unnecessary. So it would be smarter to simplify the outline and speed up the process. Here I have a list of polylines similar in complexity. I'm going to reference them in Grasshopper, extract their control points, and use the Convex Hull component to construct the minimum convex polygon around each outline. Now we can use these simplified polygons for nesting. Just don't forget to flatten the list before supplying the geometry to the solver. I'm selecting the curve for the sheet, increasing iterations, and adding a slider for the spacing. As you can see, I have nested the convex hull outlines, and now we can use the transform component and the transformation data to nest all the original polylines according to their simplified outlines. Don't forget, you can adjust the spacings between the pieces and also use other methods to construct simplified outlines. Convex Hull is just one example. So this is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.